We're here with Farrell, my favourite know-it-all when it comes to transferring stuff from one place to another. I'm an S7 user. Now, if I or someone watching this were to get the S9 or S9 Plus, how easy would it be to transfer my stuff?
Like super easy, super quick. Look, I'll show you. Pass me those phones and down there, please.
You read my mind. Take the phones and give us the need-to-knows.
Thank you. So I tap my Smart Switch app and I'm going to transfer my data using USB.
So far, so simple.
I plug my OTG cable into my S9 Plus. I plug my micro USB into my S7. So you'll have two options. Send and receive. You want to tap receive. And then our phone is searching through all of our transferable data.
Ah, like my movies, my songs, my pics, my messages from my ex.
Yeah, you might not want to transfer everything, so just untick the stuff you don't want to transfer. And then just tap transfer and that's it.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, simple, it's done.
There she goes, putting the E's in trapeze. There she is, an heiress in the air, a trapeze extraordinaire. She's our trusted pro on switching and transferring. It's Farrell.
Hey, Sam.
Hey, looking pretty good up there. Could you show me how to do that?
Well, if you've got the outfit, I've got the time.
Maybe later. We're here to talk about transferring data from an old phone to the S9 or S9 Plus. Go on, Farrell, give us the need-to-knows.
Can you pass my phones and stuff and down there, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. It's really easy. I go to the Smart Switch app. You have the choice to transfer wirelessly, external storage, or, like today, we're going to be using the USB. So I plug the lightning cable into my old phone and the OTG into my lovely new phone.
The OTG, is that little thing in the box?
Yeah, so don't throw it away. I get a message on my old phone asking me to trust my new phone, tap trust, click next. Oh, untick the stuff you don't want to transfer. And then, wow, the S9 Plus is transferring all my data.
Wow, so it's not just you flying through the cables, it's all your favourite stuff too.
If that helps you understand it better, Sam.
You saw it here first, guys. Transferring in style with Farrell. So today we're going to meet Morgan, an award-winning cheesemonger, the Beyonce of selfies, and she's going to tell us a little bit more. Hello, Morgan.
Hi, Sam.
Hey, how's it going?
It's good. It's been nice and busy in here today.
Good, good, good. So, Morgan, your face and your cheese are all over socials. So can you give us the need-to-knows on taking selfies with the S9 or S9 Plus?
Of course I can. With the S9 Plus, it is as simple as double pressing the power button, posing, and capturing.
Look at that selfie face.
Lots of practice.
Love it. What else can you tell us?
So another feature I really like on the phone is that I can take a selfie just using the palm of my hand. So all I need to do is you go into your settings, shooting method, make sure show palm is on, go back out, see my palm, and then wait, grab a nice big piece of cheese, and it does all the work for me.
I can't believe how easy it is.
It's pretty easy, yep. And something else I use on the phone a lot, as you can imagine, I get really cheesy hands and caked in the stuff. So they have voice activation on the S9 Plus, which means all I need to do is pop into settings, make sure voice activation's switched across, back out, then...
That's a big bit of cheese.
This is a big piece of cheese. You stole my thunder.
How do you mean?
Because all you need to say is shoot, capture, or cheese, and it will take the photo for you.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing.
Yeah, does all the work.
Love it. All right then, thanks a lot, but we better get out of here.
See you later.
Goodbye.
Bye.
We're backstage with Sonia. When it comes to Samsung Pay, she's got a few tricks up her sleeve. Hi, Sonia, how are you?
Hey, Sam, I'm good. How are you doing?
Good, thank you. So we're here to talk magic on your mobile. So go on, give our viewers the need-to-knows on Samsung Pay.
Right, so the first thing you need to do is set up your Samsung Pay with your bank card, open your app, tap the plus sign to add your card, hold your card within the frame, and boom, See, the card number magically appears. Then you fill in your name with the last 3 digits of the back of your card. Press next. Put your address. Press next again. And then agree to the T's and C's. Authenticate that is you. And you're done.
So you can go shopping now?
Yeah, you just need to swipe up. Authenticate with your eyes. Tap on the card reader to pay. And you're done.
Wow, just like magic.
2 minutes till stage time, Sonia.
Then you just give me 1 second. Well, if you are like me and you got lots of loyalty cards.
Yeah, loads. I'm always losing them though.
I know, like it's ridiculous, but with Samsung Pay, you can add loyalty cards in much the same way as you add bank cards and keep them in one place.
Wow, that's so cool.
Right?
Amazing. Thanks so much, Sonia. And break a leg out there, but just try not to break the phone.
Right, I'll try my best.
This is Lee. He's our future Olympic record breaker. And he's going to show us how to get the best out of the Samsung Health app. Hi, Lee.
Hi, Sam.
So, give us the need to knows.
So, I love using this app for one particular reason. Already, automatically today, it's recorded my steps, which has been 2,041 steps.
Ooh.
And I've done 94 calories.
So, the same amount as a small biscuit.
You could say that, a very small biscuit.
So, how does it keep you on track whilst you're on the track?
Well, I like to use the heart rate monitor. Go to measure now. Place my
Nice.
finger on the sensor.
Wow, so this is live footage.
Gotta be quiet in this. 91 beats per minute.
Wow, is that a good thing?
Well, it's not bad considering the workout I've just done, and I add that in as well.
Cool, so how does it challenge you to smash your PBs?
Well, as you can see, it's a 60-meter track. I'm gonna do this in under 7 seconds. Watch this pace.
Wow, under 7 seconds?
Under 7 seconds.
Yeah, I do that running for the bus, Lee.
Yeah, I don't do buses.
Good luck. Hey, it's London's favourite bike courier. How are you doing, David?
Good, Sam. Busy, though. Busy.
Busy as always. You're always on the go and you always need your phone on you. So give us the need to knows about extending battery life on the Galaxy S9.
Right. Ultimately, you want your phone running as smoothly as possible. So to do that, what you do is hit Settings, then click Device Maintenance, and hit Optimize. That's going to cut out all those apps and games that you're not using.
Nice. OK, settings, device maintenance, optimise. Got it. Next tip.
Next tip, power saving mode. Using 2 fingers, pull down from the top, long hit power save, then hit mid and apply.
What if I'm really low, like I'm down to my last 10%? I'm at Glastonbury and there's no plug point. What do I do then?
No battery, Glasto. What a cliche. Right, instead of hitting mid, you can hit max, and that could give you up to 24 hours extended battery life.
24 hours?
Ultra power saving mode.
Oh, that's ultra useful.
I know. Luckily, I don't need that right now, but what I do need to do is hit the road.
Yep, those packages aren't going to deliver themselves.
No, they're not. Hi, Bixby. Open Maps.
He'd be lost without Bixby.
I heard that.